Let's dive into how you can turn a vast candidate pool into a winning team. First, we'll head over to the talent pool. You can customize your view in seconds. Let's look for our next TypeScript expert. Found a group that fits the bill? You can perform bulk actions to keep your workflow moving at lightning speed. With just 2 clicks, we can move these 7 candidates straight into the interviewing stage. And just like that, your pipeline is updated. No manual data entry, no hassle. Want a closer look? Click into any candidate for a deep dive. Here, you get a 360-degree view, verified contact details, a breakdown of their tech stack, and their full professional history, all in one clean interface. Now, let's refine our selection. We'll move our top picks to the shortlist. To signal they're ready for the final rounds, you have total flexibility. If needs change, moving candidates back to applied or any other stage is just as simple. Let's follow our frontrunner, Vanessa, from the shortlist. It's a smooth transition through the final hurdles. Whether she's interviewing, receiving an offer, or starting onboarding, TuraHire tracks every milestone. And there it is, the hired badge. A seamless journey from a pool of many to the perfect one. TuraHire, streamlining your recruitment, one hire at a time. Ready to build your dream team?